Yo, this is how you make a quick Korean snack. 200 grains of rice cake. Soak your rice cake in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drain it. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, depending how sweet you want it. Another one. Honestly, I prefer these Jones, corn syrup, but most of y'all probably don't have these at the crib, so we're gonna go with sugar. Heat your pan up. Splash of oil. Let's get jiggy with it. This is exactly how I want it. I want these Jones lightly brown and crispy. Just like that. Ooh. Now finish it with some sesame seed. And that's how you make the fastest Korean munchies. Ooh. Now go make yours and don't forget to tag me on it. Ooh. This is how you make keranjim. Ooh. All you need is 4 eggs and a cup of stock. Boom. Another one. A cup of fish stock. A pinch of salt. Whisk that John, baby. You need one of these doohbaggies, fam. Throw that John right in. Sheesh. Yo, make sure you leave an inch right there. High heat. Grab a lid. Aluminum foil. Ghetto fabulous. Yo, magic happens in 5 minutes. Focus, fam. Stir that John with mad love, fam. Sheesh. Don't let that John scramble, fam. Alright, when it scrambles like that, you gotta stop. Throw your lids on top. Lower your heat and wait for that, fam. Ooh. Let them talk to you, fam. Ooh. John looking fire, fire. Boom. Ooh. Today we making the broke boy tteokbokki. Ooh. Rice cake, shinramen, pepper paste, sugar. That's all you need, fam. 2 cups of water, 300 grains of rice cake, 4 tablespoons of pepper paste, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Just like that, baby. Check on your rice cake. If it get mushy like that, it means it's perfect. Here goes the broke boy's vegetables. Just a little bit of the soup. This is the secret sauce, fam. Now throw in your ramyeon. Depending how long you've been boiling it, you could add another cup of water. It looks like it's a lot of water, but by the time the ramen cook, it's gonna be perfect. Sheesh. Now taste your tteokbokki. Ooh. I like my John spicy, so I'm gonna add 1 more pepper paste. And that's how you make a quick tteokbokki. Ooh. Ooh. Hey yo, we're about to make a big ass batch of kimchi today. Ooh. Brine it in salt water. Let it sit for a few days. Just let it sit here so all the water runs out. Listen to that sound right there. Ooh, fresh. Your kimchi can't be good without love, so make sure you rub it with a lot of love and care. Gotta mix it with a lot of love right here. Just like how your mom used to do it for you. And there goes the first batch of kimchi right here. Woo. Let's make some kimbap, baby. Woo. First and first, get some eggs. Boom. Another one. Woo. Let's go, baby. Gonna scramble that joint. Throw some tuna and some mayo. Carrot, spinach, and some cucumbers. Lay out your eggs from this angle right to here. Some spinach on the top. And some carrots. Leave some cucumber. Add that mayo tuna. Yo, I don't know, man. This is a fatty right here. I might not be able to roll it. Ooh. Let's go. Sesame oil in your hand like that. Rub it, right? Now rub this baby real sweet. Top it up with some sesame seed, baby. And that's how you make keto kimbap, baby. Woo! This is how you make keto kimchi fried rice. Cut some onions and some scallions. That kimchi. The tip of the day. You don't want to cut kimchi in a cutting board because it's going to get nasty and ugly, right? Just put it in a bowl and use your scissor. Ooh, baby, let's go. Scallions. Ooh. Scramble your eggs. Mix it well. Tablespoon of pepper flakes. 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder. 1/2 spoon of pepper paste. The black pepper. We usually add the rice, but for today we're making keto kimchi fried rice, so we're adding cauliflower. Get your kim. Some egg, scallion, sesame seed, and that's how you make keto kimchi fried rice. Hey yo, this is how you make torso bibimbap. Boom. Splash of sesame oil. You gotta shake that rice, baby! Because when you shake your rice, the shon come right off. Ooh. So you gotta kind of noodle that shon a little bit. I mean, spread that evenly. Spinach, bean sprouts, zucchini, radish, cucumber, carrot. Yo, tip number 1, separate your greens so it looks good aesthetically. Tip number 2, it's like a shape up. You mean you gotta like clean the edges a little bit, push it down a little bit. Ooh, clean that joint up, fresh. Yo, shout out to all my vegetarians. We're gonna make some fried tofu for the protein, you mean? Sheesh. Ooh. Another one. Lace your yolk right in the middle. Woo. Garnish it with that kim. Finish it up with that sesame seed. Sheesh. Throw in that bibimbap sauce. And that's how you make a perfect bibimbap. Kimchi literally represents who I am. And what I mean by that is, I eat this every day. I eat this 365 days, 3 times a day. That's more than 1,000 times a day. But for some reason, I never could have brought this to school. It was kind of weird, you know what I mean? Hey, so like, yo, you ever seen anybody eat kimchi or bring kimchi to school? Yeah. That shit's crazy, man. It's like, if you were to eat like pizza, hoagie, pasta, and not being able to bring that to school, like, how would you feel about it? Yeah, and that's how I grew up. As in, like, this is what I eat every day at my house. But for some reason, growing up in Korean America, in America, I don't know if I was ashamed to bring it or I wasn't allowed to bring it. People thought this shit is too stinky and what the fuck is that, you know? But that represents who I am. And what I mean by that is, some people won't fuck with me and some people fuck with me. Like, you guys who are watching it, and this is it. Some of you guys fuck with the kimchi, some of you guys... Hey yo, this is how you make bulgogi. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Boom. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This right here is the base of the bulgogi sauce. 1/4 tablespoon of garlic. 1/2 tablespoon of onion. 5 tablespoons of grated pear. 1/3 cup of water. This is the flavor right here. Yeesh. We're gonna mix the sauce together. Yeesh. 300 grams of sliced ribeye. That's love right there, baby. Whew. Marinated for 24 hours. Bam. Some sesame oil. Ooh. Onion. Scallion. Some sesame seed. And that's how you make a perfect bulgogi. Hey yo, today we're about to make some kimchi grilled sandwich. Eesh. First thing first, make sure you butter your bread. Both sides, baby. Eesh. Boom. Check your bread if it's good. Sheesh. Another one. Lightly brown, baby. Whew. Put your bread aside. Splash of sesame oil. Caramelize your kimchi. Little bit of sugar. Little bit of sesame seed. Ooh, polka that joint. You see how hot these are? Throw that joint right on top of the bread. Lace that cheese right on top. Make sure the bottom of the bread is really hot and lace that right on top. Sheesh. Be patient, fam. Sheesh. They ain't there yet. And that's how you make a perfect kimchi grilled sandwich. Yo, today we're about to make ghetto kimbap. Woo! Kim means seaweed paper and pop means rice. Fold your nori paper in half. Boom. Bowl of rice, splash the sesame oil, season it with salt, some sesame seed. Mix it with a lot of love. Get a fistful of rice, lace that joint right to the inch, spread it with a lot of love. Choose your weapon, Spain or kimchi. How ghetto are you? Saute your spam. Saute your kimchi. Splash of sesame oil. Boom. Boom. Tuck that joint right in. Roll it right over. Fix your edge. Waiter. Ghetto fabulous. Yo, we're about to make some fire chapchae. Yo, what's chapchae?
Sweet potato noodles.
200 grains of noodles, 200 grains of vegetables, zucchini, cabbage, carrot, onion, mushrooms. Boil your water. 12 minutes in, baby. Splash of oil. Saute all your vegetables. Half a tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of pepper. Drain your chapchae. Throw that joint right in. Mix it with a lot of love. Or if you're a gangster, mix it with your hand. Taste your chapchae. I could use more seasoning. Another tablespoon of soy sauce. Another half a spoon of sugar. Finish it with sesame seed. And that's how you make a perfect chapchae. Ooh. Yo, today we're about to make a fire kimchi fried rice. All you need is kimchi and some rice. You need about 1-to-1 ratio. And some onions and scallions. Eggs. Another one. Some oil. Scramble that joint. Tip number 1, break your egg small as possible. Cause you want the egg to dance with your rice like that. Put away egg to your side. Onions and scallions. Throw your kimchi in. Woo. Splash of sesame oil. Woo. And some sugar. And some butter. Shake your rice, baby. Boom. Some more sesame oils on top of your rice to break it up. Break that joint up. Ooh. This is what separates amateurs to the pro. If you crack the egg in here, that will be wet. We don't want no wet ass kimchi fried rice. Boom. This is what I mean, your egg dancing with your rice. Some sesame seed, and that's how you make a perfect kimchi fried rice.